Hello YouTube team, my name is Onjalo Busumutari and my YouTube channel name is Onjalo Blog Video, and I am working on YouTube since 16 February 2021. Here is my channel link. I have uploaded more than 263 video, but unfortunately my channel has rejected from reuse content. Okay, let me see you. My channel has rejected from monetizing or YPP program. This all video my own creation with my voice over, and even though I have uploaded my face cam in this video, still I am not appearing from monetizations. This all are video my creations, and this video are originally created by myself with my face cam, and this video I am not use even a single computer generated voice. Okay, this all are my creations. I usually make blog video and sometimes make short video. Okay, this is short video. All this video are belongs to me, and all video follow YouTube guideline and community guideline. That's why I really concerned about that. There are no graphics and no copyright music. So this is appeal to YouTube team to remonetize my YouTube channel, as I am genuine creator and all content are belongs to my own creativity, and I follow all the community guideline and policy. This is full statement that my channel has used recontent. So I want to remonetize my YouTube channel. I have already applied before a failed video, but unfortunately 3 times rejected as a reason of reuse content. That's why I would like to request, please check it out once again clearly, dear YouTube team. So I create myself thumbnails, descriptions, all the contents. Here is all contents are my creations originally. My channel content category is music and blogging. Now I have 14,547 subscribers right now. Dear YouTube team, now I'm going to show you how I edit my video. This is the application KineMaster on which I edit my video. First of all, here new project 16:9. Okay, for example, let's make editing part. For example, I take this one from my gallery, and okay, I choose a video from my gallery for editing, and then I start edit right now. Okay, if I need voice, I record here. Okay, but not right now. If I need music, like here, I put here and record it here. And if I need, sometimes I put YouTube library music, and if I need any song, I put here from here. Okay, let me take as an example. Okay, like this. Okay, and then finally I have edited my video, and at the last moment I export my video like this. So this is how I create my content. So dear YouTube team, please recheck out my channel properly, and thank you.